So brake. Thank you, sir. So what are you gonna do? Okay, release the brakes. I'm gonna put the parking brake for you.
Okay.
Nice. Okay. Seat belts on. All lights on. I need you to turn on the fly director on. I'm gonna turn on line. Turn on the auto throttle. Both. Yes. Auto brake, RTO, reject takeoff. Speed brake, retract. Flaps 5 for takeoff. Okay. And transponder on. Ready to go? Let's take off.
Okay.
Take off. Okay.
Just take off.
Yeah. How you do that? Hold the controls. If you wanna go to the left, go to the left. If you wanna go to the right, go to the right. If you wanna go up, like that. If you wanna go down, go down. You see every time you
What bank do I do for this? Same as
for go up 10.
10. Okay.
A little bit before you take off, you can go up to 15, 20, and then you recover to 10.
Okay.
Not a big deal, right? Remember, every time you put the angle you wanted, or disregard, go left or right or go up and down, you see you have a neutral position here. So remember to go back to the neutral. So if you want to go to the left, you hold the controls, just for you to feel it. So you want to go to the left, you go to the left, of course, when you are flying, right? Go to the left, you're going to see that when you go to the left, the point goes to the other direction, right? So when you reach 30 degrees to the left, you go back to neutral. You do that. Otherwise, if you keep holding to the left, that crap going to do a barrel roll. It's not like a car that you keep everybody spill all the coffees, right? So even if the passenger hold it. So when you reach the 30 degrees, so you start to move to the left. When you reach the 30 degrees, you go back to neutral. The craft will continue 30 degrees for you. When you don't want anymore, you just undo it and you go back to neutral.
Oh, okay.
The same thing, if you want to go up, when you reach pitch 10, go back to neutral. Because if you keep holding, you're going to do a looping. Right? You don't want that. Okay? Okay, we want that, but we can't do that. We're going to spill the coffee again.
Yeah.
So we don't have a lot of coffee. So again, climb, pitch 10, go back to neutral. When you don't want anymore, so just undo it. Right?
Okay.
So that's how we fly the aircraft. You don't tell the aircraft, of course you do, you tell the aircraft where you want to go, but you just give the P angles or the pitch up or down and let the aircraft do the job for you. Right? Let's go.
Okay.
Remember I told you about the auto throttle and the autopilot?
Yeah.
And we need to fix that here.
Okay.
You see the heading, the number 5 there?
Yeah.
On the screen, on the runway?
Yeah.
It means we are taking off using running 05.
Okay.
So it always put a 0 on the right side. So the runway heading regarding the compass rolls, it goes from 0 to 360 degrees. So when I ask you, you're flying here, 057, you see it?
Yeah.
And I ask you, go fly heading 300. So you just rotate all the way to the left, you're gonna pass 360, 0, and we start to count again, and stop at 300, okay? So you always put a 0 in the front of the number 5 there. This is the running heading, 050.
Okay.
So rotate here, you see, rotate here, you do it, and put it, fly, line up the head. You see, this is where you're moving. So put it up until you find heading 057. You see, you can look yours. That's mine. You have yours. It's like kids, right? That's mine. You have yours. Okay, beautiful. You see, so what I want, magenta, 058. What I have, white colors, 057. What I want, altitude 8,000. What I have, I'm elevation of the airport.
Yeah.
So that's happened. What I want, speed, 200. So 200. What speed I have now? I'm 0 because I'm stopping. Okay. Let's go. 1 hour is too little, man. It's too short. Back brake off. Remember I talked to you about the speed brake, or the auto throttle and the autopilot. How you turn on the autopilot so the computer can try to keep the speed for you. This button here is called toggle button. You just press it and you're going to turn the auto throttle.
So just press that. Press it.
You see what's happening? The computer is doing the job for you. Let's go. How you steer the aircraft at the ground? Use the rudder to the left and right.
Okay.
Beautiful.
80 knots.
80 knots. When I say rotate, you take off.
V1.
You want?
Rotate.
Take off. But remember the pitch 10, right? You see the aircraft go a little bit more. Then you recover, go back to the pitch 10. Once your brake get up. What's our pitch now?
15.
Beautiful. What you should have?
Pardon?
What you should have?
Good.
What's the pitch you should have?
10.
10. So, remember, you fly the aircraft. Don't let the aircraft fly you. Beautiful. You see? Easy job. Go to the right. Heavy 120.
1, 2, 0.
I'm gonna put it here for you. 090. So, when you match the white line with the dotted line, what I want, magenta, what you are now. You should climb to 7,000 feet. That's it, very good. That, remember, that's why you have two eyes, right? One eye for the heading, another eye for the altitude, and the third eye for the speed. See the aircraft coming here? You see the other one here?
Those are planes.
Yes.
And where are we?
The triangle.
This is us.
Yes.
Okay.
So we have an aircraft, 47, but this aircraft there, they are that direction. But you see the minus 48?
Oh.
He is below us,
Way below.
4,800 feet. Okay, so pretty much 5,000 feet below us. And he's descending. You see the arrow to down? It means he's going down. So it's not a trap. Right? Okay, go to the left now, heading 070. Sorry. Nice. Okay, what's your altitude now?
Altitude is 66.
Beautiful. I want you to go down to 6,000.
6,000.
So remember, what's the pitch for going down? Pitch go down.
Yeah.
What's the pitch for going down?
Pitch is
0.
0.
Okay, so pitch 3, pitch 4 is to keep level, and pitch 10 is for climb. Okay? When you fly, okay, when you reach 6,000, you will go back to pitch 3, between the 2.5 and 5 here. Right? You see 6,000 came, it starts a little bit early, because if you wait, okay, let's do something here. Turn on the autopilot. Okay, release the controls. The aircraft is going to do all the job for you.
Okay.
So, let's suppose we are climbing here.
Yeah.
This is the 6,000 feet level.
Yeah.
So, if I wait, we never do that. Crank, 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 right? We cannot do that. So, if you wait the 6,000 to appear in your altimeter to correct, you're gonna overshoot it. So, 6,000 you And you're going to stay
speed.
like all the time overshooting, right?
Yeah.
So when you reach in 6,000, usually 100 feet before, you start to put the nose down, in a way that when you reach pitch 3, that's the pitch level,
Lightning.
you're flying 6,000.
Lightning.
Huh?
Saw lightning.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's put a... you like that. Bad weather?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So how can you fly when you can see like a foggy day? Like you have all the instruments. You don't need. You know your speed. You know altitude. You know the aircraft's level and pitch tree and everything. So
I'm
you
at
don't need it.
I'm at 61. You want me to?
So how can you go down slowly? You use the autopilot,
Yeah.
vertical speed, like 100. You do it. Rotate it just one click to down. That's 100 feet. One more. That's it. Now what happened? You see the aircraft put it in vertical speed to nose down, and they're going to start to go down a bit. Very slowly because that's why you ask. Always do it smooth. See, think
Then they don't notice.
ahead. Yes. So think ahead, right? Sometimes we are flying. I'm a 737 pilot, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes we are flying. I need to go back, and I don't want to tell the passengers yet because I have a problem. I need to go back. So I made it slow turn, 180 degrees. When they notice we are landing again there when they take off. Sometimes they go, oh, we arrived. No, you didn't arrive. Just go back.
Yeah,
So,
you don't want to be afraid, right?
yeah, you just, of course, you need to tell them why. It's happening every time, right? But, okay, I am wanting you to do a turn.
Okay.
Let's go back with the good weather, right?
So I have to take this off?
No, let's use the autopilot just a little bit so you can see how we really fly the aircraft.
Okay.
Right? So I want you to turn to the left. You see, if you reach 6,000, let me show you another thing. Quick. Remember I told you the pitch tree?
Yeah.
Pretty much we have pitch tree. So if you look here, you see the aircraft?
Yeah.
You see? We see the nose up
Yeah.
a little bit.
Is that
And we
us?
are flying. Yes,
Okay.
this is us. You see you there?
Yeah.
Hey, you're using sunglasses, right?
That's us. Alright.
Okay, let's go back. You see how the nose up?
Yeah. So we're kind of
I'm trying to find this.
flying there.
Yeah, we fly with the pitch up, pitch tree. Okay. Remember when you're flying as a passenger and you see that in your window,
Yeah.
and you have the speed brakes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you see that happen,
Yeah.
right? This is how you help the aircraft to go down and fast.
Yeah.
Right? So let's go inside the aircraft, hold on side, and the engine.
Okay.
Okay? I need you now to go to the left, heading 300. Remember, use the autopilot. So just rotate here, and look what's going to happen. 300, yeah, to the left. You see the aircraft turning to the left?
Yeah.
Go, continue rotating. Go. Spin. And you start again. Remember, it's a compass rules. 300. Beautiful. You see the aircraft going down? Oh, sorry, it's going to the left. And you see the bank angle, 25?
It's a lot better than me.
Oh, it's better than us. Perfect, yes. And remember, we just took off. Everything is beautiful. The sun is shining. The sky are blue. The autopilot's on. What's the most important thing you should do now? What do you think as a pilot? Huh? Yeah, it's a good option, but we have a better option
Check all your
than
stuff.
coffee, tea.
Oh,
That's the chicken, then you go to the bathroom, right? So what you should do is, you should turn off the seat belts. Auto. Oh, I don't want people smoking, right? I don't want anyone smoking. If you want to smoke, you should go to the wings to smoke outside the aircraft.
Oh, smoking.
Yes, no smoking. I don't want anyone smoking. Leave the no smoking on all the time, right? You know the difference between off, on, and auto? When you put it in auto position, you turn off the seat belts, but as soon as you put the landing gear down or flaps, or you go down 10,000 feet, turn on automatic. Right?
That's better, right?
Do all the jumpers.
Yeah.
Okay, we are here. The airport's here. You see that line?
Yeah.
This is an imaginary extension line of the central line of the runway. So as soon as we reach that, then
Is that called ILS?
yes, that's when you're gonna do it. You know how it works? Localizer, left and right.
Yeah.
Right slope up and down. You know the basic concept, right?
Yeah.
I want you to follow that. Okay, heading 270 to the left. We are too far from the airport. 250.
250.
26. 252. 262. I'm kidding. 260.
260. Okay.
So you see what I'm doing? I'm vectoring you in a way that when you reach the line, you're gonna go straight ahead and line up with the running.
Oh, okay.
Okay? And I want you to land.
Oh, that'll be fun.
How about? We don't have the ILS system yet because we're too far from the airport.
Right.
Okay? Well, you're gonna have it in like 2-3 minutes. Heading 250.
25?
And I need you to go down to 4,000 feet.
Oh. That went fast.
Yeah, zero. Good, right? We have 1,000 feet change, and the auto here is 100 feet.
Yeah.
If I put in auto, I change 100 feet, right? 4,000. So you see, to go left and right, I just rotate and the aircraft goes, right? The altitude is a little bit tricky because if you go down and you don't know what you're doing, you can crash. That's why every time you put altitude, you need to choose the mode you want to go down. In our case, we're going to use the fly level change. So I just press it. And now the aircraft going to reduce the power because it's a downhill. We don't need power to go down, right? Like your car. And you're going to down 4,000. But you see the altimeter is going down. I need you to go down fast. Right? We are going down too slowly. The seat belts should be off now. Sorry, on. Yeah. And all the passengers are seated, the flight attendants finish the service. There is no coffee inside the aircraft, right? So I don't care about the coffee anymore. I can spill the coffee because they don't have coffee. So how can you help the aircraft to go down fast? Remember?
Gear?
It's a good option.
Yeah.
We use it. But the problem of the landing gear, if you don't need it to use anymore, you need to retract. So it's a lot of system to
Speed brakes?
Speed brakes.
Okay.
Up, lift, another way down. See? So you open the wings, that device I showed you before, right? Then yes, when you fly, you can hear that.
Yeah.
If you're seated on the wings, you just look at it, you can see the things moving, right? 1,000 to go. Okay, it's a warning. Remember, you're reaching the altitude.
So once we reach the altitude, we turn the speed brakes off?
No, you can do it now. You see the computer, the automatic, yes, all the way down. No. You see the aircraft start to move, increase the power. That means you don't need the speed brake. Okay? So just reduce the speed to 210.
200?
210.
210. Do we need flaps?
Yes, but to put the flaps, you need to reduce the speed first. You see the center?
There we go.
Yeah, I don't care about the center. Pay attention to the front.
Okay.
Okay, you see the running sight? You have the running? No?
Not yet.
Yeah, me neither. But I know the run is here, right?
Yeah.
20 miles ahead of us.
20
so,
miles,
yes,
okay.
you see the localizer just capture and line up with the running?
Yep.
And you see the diamond here?
Yep.
You have the diamond here side?
Yep.
Yeah, this one. This is the localizer.
Okay.
You should keep the diamond center. You see how the autopilot do the job and keep everything center for you?
Yep.
In a minute, you're going to have the glide slope
I see
above
the
the diamond.
Okay.
You see the running? Yeah, that's one.
Okay.
That's the one. Yes? You can look outside, but he needs to look there. It's fine. Yeah, pay attention. Okay, you see the running
I
here?
saw the run.
Yeah, you saw before me, right? You're good. Okay, now let me help with that.
Oh.
You can see now.
I can
right?
still do that. I can see
Yeah, that's it. So let's use a little bit of instrument flying, okay? Because you're good. So I want you I want to push you a little bit your limits, right?
I see.
And a little bit before we run, I'm going to put the bad weather again, the good weather again. And one thing here you need to notice: if you are in a condition like that, on a foggy day, like in Heathrow and everything, it helps a lot. It happens a lot, right? You should leave the aircraft land for you because for all landings you should keep looking to the right. And if you cannot look it, you should the aircraft do the landing for you. And all Boeing aircraft are auto landing capable. Right? Of course, you should be training, and the aircraft should be certified with the organs, the Transport Canada organs of the world, right? Because sometimes you have the last airline I worked for, all the aircrafts are the auto landing capable, the system and everything, but we are not allowed to do that because we didn't do the training and discipline. So the aircraft have the equipment, but you cannot use it. Right? It happens. Anyway, we are going down now. You see the guy slope came here?
Yep.
So That's why you have two eyes, right?
Yeah.
One eye for the localized and the other eye for the glide slope. You should keep both diamonds set.